Oh, my hand's all dirty. Ah! Hello, welcome to Moose Mischief, where we have a fantastic time creating art, making crafts, and conducting science experiments. Today I will show you how to make this cute bunny. Here's what you need. 2 pieces of blue construction paper, black, white, and pink construction paper, watercolor paper, scissors, a black pen, a pencil, plastic sheeting, and a paint tray. You also need paint and glue. Okay, let's put out the plastic sheeting so we don't get paint all over the floor. So now we're gonna put down our paint tray and put some blue paint in there. And I have sparkly blue paint. Okay, so now put down the watercolor paper. We're gonna put down several sheets so that you can make lots of handprints and footprints, so in the end you'll find one that you like. Okay, so I'm gonna start with handprints. Get my hand all goopy full of paint. Woohoo! A nice big blue hand. Well, that one looks pretty good. I might fill this in a little bit. So now I'm gonna move on to my left hand. Okay, here I go. Ugh, so gross. Gets a little bit more paint in there. Ah, that looks pretty good. Ooh, I like that one. I think I might just fill it in a little. Like that. There we go. All right, I think I've got my bunny ears. Okay, so now it's time to make our rabbit feet. So we better get paint on our own feetsies. Let's do this. Ooh. Slipping and sliding. Ooh, I can draw in here too with my toes. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that looks pretty good. I'll make a second one just in case. I often find I like the second one a little bit better. Ooh, yep, looks awesome. I got big feet, so my bunny gets extra big feet too. Okay, so now it's time to do my left foot. Does it look pretty good? Nice and covered? All right, here I go. Oh, it looks pretty good for a first one. Should we try another one? Oh, I love that one. Okay, I think I have my rabbit feet, so let's go put our rabbit together. Now you're gonna cut out your feet and hands, so pick your favorite left and right foot and your favorite right and left hand that you did earlier. Okay, so I think I like this left foot the best of my options here. So that's the one I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Goodbye. And I'll cut this one out. So you're just gonna wanna cut it, just kind of leave a little bit of the edge of the paper and just kind of roughly cut around the foot. There we go. I think I like this right foot the best. So now I'm gonna cut it out. As I look at these hands, I like this right hand a lot, so I think I'll cut this one out. It's the same with the foot. You don't need to get tight or anything or cut in between the fingers. Just do a big cut around it. For my left hand, I really like this one. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna grab the blue construction paper. We're gonna place the first piece right down here and put our feet on it, just like this. The blue construction paper is going to become the body of our bunny. So I will draw an arc from here to here. Now I will draw an arc from here to here. Okay, next I'm going to cut out the body. You just follow that arc that you drew earlier. And then for the bottom part, you want to start up here and just go down to where you drew that pencil mark, and then you can come back up on the other side. There you go. Now you have the body of your bunny. Next, grab the second piece of blue construction paper and place it horizontally in front of you. This will become the head of your bunny. So take your hands, which will become the ears, and place them right here. Okay, next we will draw the bunny's head. First, you draw an arc between the two hands, and then you draw the rest of the circle. Now let's cut it out. So follow your pencil mark, and where it's missing, just go up and connect to where you drew it in up here at the top. So you don't have the pencil mark there, but you can imagine that it's there. Now you have your bunny's head. Okay, let's glue it together. I'm gluing down the feet first. Next, I'm gonna glue down his head. And I'll slip it in right underneath his feet, just like that. And then I'll put some glue on the back side of his foot and press that down. There we go. Now I will glue down the ears. It's starting to look like a bunny rabbit. Okay, so our bunny rabbit needs a nose, so let's draw one. I will just draw a half circle. I'll start by drawing a line and then a half circle. Let's cut it out. Then flip it upside down and put it on your bunny. Next, our bunny needs some whiskers. I will give the bunny 3 whiskers on each side. So to make those whiskers, I will just cut slits of paper like this. Here's 1, 2, and 3. I will do 3 more for the other side. Here's your whiskers. Okay, so you want your whisker to have a little bit of curl at the end, so grab your pencil and place it right here onto the paper, and then twist the paper around it just like this. And now your paper has curl. Do that on all 6 whiskers. We'll glue down the nose, but we'll only put the glue in the center of the nose and not on the edges, so we can slip the whiskers under the nose. Now we will put a little glue on the whisker, just on the one edge, and I will slip it underneath the nose, just like that. And I will do that with all 6 whiskers, 3 on each side. Our bunny needs to see, so we need to give it some eyes. To draw the eye, you will want to draw an oval. And you'll want to draw 2. Because we wouldn't want a one-eyed bunny, or would we? Maybe he's a pirate. That looks pretty good. Let's cut them out. Now our bunny needs some pupils. So we'll draw ovals again, but this time we'll draw them smaller and on the black piece of paper. And cut them out. Let's glue it down. Okay, lastly, our bunny needs a mouth so it can eat lots of carrots. He looks kind of pudgy. I think he ate a lot of carrots. I had so much fun making this bunny with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please check out my book, Moose Mischief, A Pancake Surprise.